Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. I'm teacher Azida. Okay class, today we are going to learn the starter unit, the topic free time. These are the main skill and the complementary skill. The main skill, speaking. 2.1.1 Give detailed information about themselves. The complementary skill, writing. 4.2.1 Give detailed information about themselves. Are you ready for today's lesson? Very good. Let's start. Okay class, before that, let's revise the lesson from the previous lesson. Do you still remember? In the previous lesson, we talked about hobbies and interests. What do you like and what you don't like? Can you differentiate between these two? I mean, do you know the difference between like and dislike? Okay, look at these tables. Let's read the sentences together. I'm interested in music. I'm into films and watching TV. I like shopping and meeting friends. I'm good at skateboarding. My favorite animal is cats. Okay class, we say this kind of sentences when we like doing the activities. Okay, now look at this pink table. Let's read the sentences together. I'm not interested in cycling. I'm not into reading. I don't like chatting online. I'm not good at art. Okay, we say this kind of sentences when we don't like the activities. So we add the word not to the sentences. Understand? Very good. Okay, now look at this sentence. Number 1. I into music. Do you know what's the answer? Yes, the answer is M. I am into music. Now look at number 2. Anna, good at art. What's the answer? Yes, the answer is. Anna is good at art. These two words, am and is, are both forms of the verb be. So today we are going to learn about the verb be. Okay, look at this table. For the affirmative, we say I am, you are, he is, she is, they are, we are, it is. But in the contraction form, It will be I'm, your, his, she's, their, we're, its. And for the negative, we add the word not. Understand? So the contraction form will be I'm not, you aren't, he isn't, she isn't, they aren't, we aren't, it isn't. Okay, class? Okay, remember everyone, for the affirmative, I'm, his, she's, it's, your, we're, there. And for the negative, I'm not, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't, you aren't, we aren't, they aren't. Can you remember that? Very good. Okay, now let's answer these questions. Choose the correct words. Okay, we do this exercise together. Number 1, I isn't or am not from London. What's the answer? The keyword is I. So I cannot use isn't. Yes, so the answer is am not. So it will be I'm not from London. Okay, now look at number 2. He's or are good at sport. What's the answer? We use is for singular. We use are for plural. Remember that. Singular means one. Plural means more than one. So the keyword here is he. He is singular or plural? Yes, he is singular. So the answer is he's good at sport. Okay, now look at number 3. They isn't or aren't my friends. Okay, remember that I told you just now is for singular, are for plural. So the keyword here is they. They is plural, more than one. So the answer is aren't. So it will be they aren't my friends. Do you understand, class? Very good. Okay, now look at number 4. You is or are into music. Okay, the keyword is you. What's the answer? Yes, you're into music. And the last one, number 5. Mrs. Turner are or is a teacher. What's the keyword there? The keyword is Mrs. Turner. So what's the answer? Are is for plural. Is for singular. So the answer is. Mrs. Turner is a teacher. Write true sentences. Use affirmative and negative forms of the verb be. Do you still remember what is affirmative form? Yes, I'm, your, his, she's, their, we're, it's. What about negative form? I'm not, you aren't, he isn't, she isn't, they aren't, we aren't, it isn't. Okay, let's answer these questions together. Number 1. Zebras, animals. What's the answer? Zebras is plural. So the answer is are. Zebras are animals. Number 2. Oxford in Brazil. The keyword here is Oxford. And Oxford is not in Brazil. So the answer is Oxford isn't in Brazil. Number 3. My friends, 12. The keyword here is my friends. My friends is plural. It means more than one. So you have to use are. The answer is are or aren't. If your friends are 12, then you answer my friends are 12. But if they are not, then your answer is my friends aren't 12. Number 4. The name of this book, English Plus. The keyword here is this book. This book is singular, so we use is. The name of this book is English Plus. Number 5. I interested in video games. The keyword here is I. So we use am or am not. Understand? You can answer I'm interested in video games, or you can answer I'm not interested in video games. And the last one, I from Paris. Question number 6 is same as question number 5. So the answer is I'm from Paris or I'm not from Paris. Before we end our lesson, don't forget to subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye.